Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set a custom photo as your wallpaper on your Redmi 14C. So let's say for instance, if you have a photo that you'd like to use as your wallpaper, you can simply set it on your Redmi 14C. To do this, open the settings application on your device. And then within the settings, scroll down and select personalization. And then scroll down and find the lock style option and select it. And then this will take you to the lock screen editor. All you have to do is tap on customize. Now on this page, all you have to do is tap on wallpaper at the bottom left corner and then find that particular wallpaper that you'd like to use. So tap on local photos and then find the photo that you'd like to use as your wallpaper. So select a photo and then you should see a preview of how it looks like. And then additionally, you can choose the wallpaper effects. So tap on it and then you'll see a couple of options. There's the original one that looks like that. You can tap on blur and you can see the preview of how it looks like. You can tap on lens and you'll see how that wallpaper effect looks like. And also there's the glass effects. So there's that one, that one, that one, and all the other options that are available. Now additionally, under the glass effects, you should see the option matte effect. So you can toggle on that switch and you should see a preview of how it looks like. Now once you have done customizing your wallpaper to suit your needs, all you have to do is tap on apply at the top right corner. And then you should see this prompt, apply this wallpaper as home screen as well. So if you'd like to apply it both on your home screen and your lock screen, you can select apply to both. Or if you'd like to apply it only on the lock screen, you can tap on only lock screen. So I'll apply it to both. So I'll select that. And there you go. You should see this notification applied successfully. So once you go back home to your home page, you can now see your custom wallpaper. And also, if you have set it on the lock screen, you can unlock your device and you can see your custom wallpaper. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.